Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to code and calculate app using Python. You don't need any knowledge on Python to do this. It's very easy. You can either do this from the Python application or from this website Google Collaboratory, which is what I use because I don't really like the Python application. But you can choose anything from this. So let's go ahead and do this. So when you first open up Google Collaboratory, you might be shown with this window telling you to open your notebooks. I just click on cancel, or else if you do have open notebook, you can use it, but I recommend opening a new notebook. Okay, so once you do click cancel, you'll be greeted with this. Just don't bother with anything over here, just go ahead and click code, and you'll be greeted with this small code bar over here. So let me just tell you before I start making this application that Google Collaboratory is actually sending your code to another computer in a server, and that computer is actually compiling the code and sending the results back to you, which is why you have to be online when using Collaboratory, or if you prefer an offline method, you can obviously go to the Python application. But enough of that, let's go ahead and continue into the code. So you first need to type in a equals int, which means the a variable is equal to an input, and you're going to open a bracket, and you should type in input again here, and inside that open another bracket, and then enter the first number with the two quote marks on top. Then write b equals, so this is element b, input, and then do the same thing over here. Write input, open another bracket, and type enter the second number within a quote mark, and go ahead into the third element and type in print. So what print does is this is what you're going to see when you actually use the application. So for example, if you want the application to say hello user, you can just type in print, and then within the brackets and the quote mark hello user. But since this is a calculator application, I'm just going to put the brackets and then put in the quote mark, and then type in enter your choice. Whoops, I made a small mistake there. And then go down, then type in print again, and the quote marks inside the brackets, and type press 1 for addition. Now repeat the same steps for subtraction, multiplication, and division. So print, the brackets, the quote marks, and press 2 for subtraction. So just go ahead like this until you enter into the division field. So through the magic of editing, let's skip forward to division. Okay, so this is where things get a bit tricky. You have to click enter and type c equals to int, and then put a bracket inside that, and write in input, and then put another bracket inside that and close it, and just go to a new field. Now below there, type in if space c equals to 1, put the two dots, and go down and type in print, and then put the brackets and the quote mark and type in addition of curly brackets over here, and another curly bracket is a curly bracket, and go to the next point of the quote mark and put a dot there, and next to the dot write down format and open the brackets and type a comma b comma a positive b, and go on down and go back and click ELIF, so ELIF or ELIF, put C equals to 2, put the 2 dots, go down, type in print, and repeat the same thing but change the plus mark to the negative mark. So as an example, I'm going to open the brackets and put the quote marks and type in subtraction of curly brackets and 2 more curly brackets is dot format, and then type a comma b comma a plus a minus b. There you go. Then go down and repeat each step and just change the sign to multiplication or division near the end.
One eternity later.
So as you can see, I'm now filling out the division field. So division of curly brackets is curly bracket, and then hit the dot mark, put in format, and then type a comma b comma a divided by b. Now after you have finished this, go to the next line, click the backspace button and type in else, so ELSE, and put the 2 dots and type down print and put the brackets, and then put the quote mark and put in enter a valid input. Now you have made your calculator app, and just click on the run button to see it in action. So I just hit the run button, and as you can see, it's connecting to a server. If you're using the Python app, none of this will happen. It'll just work at once. So since we are in Google Collaboratory, it's gonna start up like this. So it's saying connected, and as you can see, it's running right here. So enter the first number. So as you can see, it's a equals int, and here I have written enter the first number. So I'm going to put an input of say 34, and then they're going to ask me enter the second number, and then they're going to ask me press 1 for addition, press 2 for subtraction, press 3 for multiplication, 4 for division. I'm just going to click press 1, and I get my answer. So if I want to run it again, I can just show you guys once again. I can even type an insane calculation, and it's just going to work fine. It'll work fine with division, multiplication, anything. And there you go, you got your basic calculator application. The next step is making an GUI of this application, which I will make in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video about how to make a calculator application via Python. Python is one of the easiest coding languages to learn actually. I will also be making another video on how to make a web page using HTML and CSS. So please do subscribe if you do want to watch that, if you would like to watch that video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.